Happy Sunday, friends! We spent last week on hikes playing music and sharing food with a group of friends in Zion National Park, but we're getting ready to explore more of Utah now.
Good morning. Are you ready to go to Bryce Canyon?
Yeah, I think so.
But before we have to eat breakfast, do laundry, get some groceries.
We got some things to do.
Yes.
We got a laundry list of things to do, including laundry today.
A laundry things to do?
Yeah, you never heard that? Laundry list of things? Yeah. The plan is to head to Bryce Canyon. We are coming pretty close to the wire on needing to head back east, which I'm not ready. I'm ready, but I'm not ready.
Yeah, same.
I'm ready to get somewhere that my nose isn't dry constantly.
I'm ready to get rid of some stuff in the van.
Ooh. Rosé dropping knowledge bombs today.
Oh my god, that thing in your nose is yellow now.
I know, it's because of the oils I used. This thing in my nose is not a piercing. I know it looks cool, but it's not. It's like a personal diffuser is what they're called. And you put it in essential oils overnight and then put it up in your nose. And for me, recently, I have had a whole heck of a lot of congestion just up my nose, and we're around things that are blooming and it's very green, and there's a lot of cottonwood in the air around here in Zion. I've just had some pretty gnarly allergies. Rock on. Too much metal for one hand.
Oh my god, you're such a loser.
We went back into Zion to fill up water, as well as pick up some groceries and do some much needed laundry.
Traffic jam at the fill-up station.
Exactly.
And the earthquakes hit weather away when the breathlessness is hushed.
Good morning, Abby.
Good morning.
What are you making this morning?
Well, I made oatmeal for everyone, and with the toppings we have Maria Jose brought strawberries and bananas and granola, and then we have trail mix to put on top, cinnamon, chai sprinkles, and then I'm making coffee too.
Oh,
So
I love you.
I love you.
When tenderness is far, far with the rest, it fades. The end of love, the end of love.
Is everybody ready?
Ready?
Yeah! Woo!
Can I hear a woohoo? Kion,
Yes, perfect.
hoy vamos a hablar todo el día en español.
No entiendo. And I'll give you...
Claro que sí entiendes. Hoy vamos a hablar todo el día en español. ¿Sí va?
No.
¡Sí! Chase, are you gonna make it?
Yeah, I'm saving a piece.
Oh, you're so cute.
Congrats.
Ken, are you gonna join the bromance?
This is the bro log. Anyone over there want some popcorn? It's good. It's good for your intestines.
A snack. Chase,
Hey,
you wanna put your feet in the water?
Let's go. I'm always up for dipping my toes. I could clean my feet too. I think they're a little cheesy smelling.
No, they're pretty dirty.
I'm ready to go to Disney World.
What do you
I just lost the game.
That was so nice, guys. We're back at camp and we're gonna have a little lunch before doing our sunset hike. We're doing a community salad. I'm making all the veggies. Abby's making some quinoa and Sarah is doing tempeh.
Molly and Ken made everyone a juice, and we decided a hammock hang was in order.
Water, blood, and rust. All we
Pablo found a stick, and Jake was busy roaming camp like a good boy.
form, position, shape.
There's never a lack of talented people on the road. This was one of many breakout jams, and as the sun went down, we took Pablo to Sarah's van for a sleepover.
Pablo and I are having a sleepover. This is a really exciting day for me. This is a really exciting day for Chase. This is not as an exciting of a day for Maria because Maria is sad.
What is this?
Aw, stop it. She's sad. Like, I'm happy that Sarah's gonna experience these. Maybe in the morning she will be like, I hate you guys, take your dog back. No. Or maybe she's never gonna give me Pablo back.
It's possible that she just wakes up in the middle of the night and drives away.
My van's gone. Yeah. I'm like, this is too good. Bye guys. Never I'm keeping the armpits.
Good night, Smoots Smoots. Good night, Booba.
Aww. Don't cry, don't cry. But the funny part is that we're parked right next to her. How do you think he's gonna do?
He's gonna do great.
Let's go to bed. We need to rest because we're going to the hot springs tomorrow.
What?
Yes, sir.
When I thought that was like Monday or something.
No. We're going to the hot springs tomorrow. We're like 2 hours away. So we're not showering.
Again.
Again.
Also, holy smokes, Utah. You are freaking beautiful. Why has no one told us how beautiful Utah is?
I think people have told us.
I've never heard anyone say Utah is beautiful.
I have told you that I wanted to live in Utah.
Okay, listen. This guy, this girl are going to bed. Good night.
I just lost the game.
I just We love you, friend.
Thank you guys so much.
Drive safe.
Thank you, you too. It's been a great journey.
It has been amazing. See you down the road, friend.
See ya. Bye.
Bye. I'm gonna miss you guys.
We're back in a small group. Sarah, Abby, Frankie, and Alex. But we're heading to some hot springs now and making our way toward Moab. So we're exploring more of the wonderful landscapes of Utah, and I'm just blown away.
From Bryce, we trekked to a location in Utah that we were sworn to secrecy never to tell the name, and we've got to respect that wish.
Friends, life is good. We have drive 2 hours to make it to the hot springs, and I am in love. It's beautiful. Utah maybe have become one of my favorite places for sure. Thank you, Sarah. You're welcome. Sarah shows this spot, and we're camping here in BLM land. There's a little bit of people park at the hot springs, but We're gonna get in it. So much fun. We're gonna get in anyway.
Cool water till I get my fill. And take me out past the mud and rust and all the broken bones.
It's so nice.
Is it warm?
It's
Yes.
hot.
It's nice.
Nice. Yeah, you would like it.
It's like a little bit less than hot tub warm, but it's perfect.
Unacceptable.
It's probably 97.
Unacceptable. I need to speak to the manager.
He's right there.
No.
I'm in love with a woman and she makes me wanna build a home. I'm in love with a woman and she makes me wanna sing a song.
I was up before the sunrise with Jake and picked around with some of my favorite songs while we watched the world around us wake up with the sky.
Hey, do you guys mind if you sign my book?
Oh, that's so sweet, Alex. You started.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I feel so
sweet.
We're about to play Utter Nonsense, which is a game of accents, and it's up to the judge to determine who has the best or the funniest.
Fun. The judge is the person with the stinkiest feet in the whole van.
Wait. I guess the question is, who smells the feet?
No. You just have to be honest. I'm not gonna smell anybody's feet. I'm honest, and my feet are stinky, but I don't know if they're the stinkiest.
Frank definitely has the stinkiest feet. Chase has been wearing socks all day, so we'll see.
I have been wearing socks all day. Who's the dedicated sniffer?
Pablo.
I'm out.
I'm just like, what?
It's
Smell that one.
It was either braces for Susie or truck nuts for the Chevy. She'll understand one day.
Ho, ho, ho! Please, sir, spare a zonk for an old blue-haired biddy who's in dire need of a pint.
I feel a lot of pressure right now.
Maybe you should say the word with the accent to show everybody why you win.
Oh, no pressure.
Whisper.
Pirate. Australian. Shout. Vampire. Ooby.
I just lost.
What am I winning?
Life.
Life.
You're winning at life.
Thanks. Not the game anymore, but life.
Friendship.
So we are going to watch a movie, but before we watch the movie, I gotta put this table into bed mode. That way everybody could fit in the bed area and we could all watch TV together. There's a little button down here, I just click out.
Okay.
Let's see, there it is.
Oh.
And then I just push it up like this, that way I have room to work, and then you give it a twist. But then I just take this. Oh. Pick it up.
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
It's all up my leg.
Oh my gosh.
Here. Just put it all down there. I really hit that, huh?
I'm glad.
Dang. But yeah, so this right here is why the dinette area is very hard to set up. And she's basically in bed mode. This one slides in, and we're in bed mode.
Good morning, friends. Today's a very sad day because the whole group and family that we have here is going separate ways, and that's how the road works pretty much. Like, you get to spend some time with friends and learn from each other and live amazing experiences. Then there's a moment that you all have to separate to be able to reunite in the future. We're all doing super cool stuff, so make sure to follow each one of us to
You know, maybe you go to Alaska with one of us. Maybe you go to Washington with one of us.
Maybe you go to Costa Rica.
Maybe you go to Costa Rica. We're gonna have all the info down in the description. We're having our last breakfast before we all head totally different places.
We're gonna miss you guys a lot.
No.
That's for sure.
So bittersweet.
I'm gonna miss your farts.
Oh, that's the sweetest thing you've ever said to me.
And your egg rolls. It's not every day that we meet people on the road that we just want to spend the next 10 and a half years with. But this group we could see it happen with.
10 and a half?
10 and a half, at least, minimum. But really, this is a very inspiring and special group of people. We've done a lot of things a little differently over the last week and a half with them. We've incorporated gratitudes before each meal. We've shared deep stories and concepts and ideas, and I think we've all, in a very noticeable way, tried to be very deliberate in who we are for ourselves and who we are for each other and other people. And if that's not what life is about, then I don't know that I'll ever quite figure it out.
I hate saying goodbyes. That's why I'm gonna say see you soon, friends. I'm very sentimental. I don't know if you guys know it. I already feel like I'm gonna cry. Why do I have to cry for everything? It's so annoying.
Oh, come here, buddy.
Oh, I'm so glad I met you guys.
Yeah, man, likewise.
One, two, three.
The Not A Cult Nomads parted ways to collect stories to share for when we meet up again.
Now I have to show us a couple bucks I spent on living. Just give it time.